Hi, my lovely fifth graders. I hope you're being good today. All right, here's a little reminder of how you do making paragraphs. So I go to classwork, summary typing. The video will be here that you can watch. You're going to click on paragraph summary. When it opens, there's a few things that you can do. When you click insert table, I can make it like this, and it's in here. And I can make it small. I can make it bigger by typing. I can take this little arrow and I can make it like this. If I want it to be longer. But this is where you can do all of your typing. So if I'm typing, you all have a great weekend. Be good. If I want this and I want it to be really big, I can highlight it by taking all of this and then I can make it bold. Or I can make it size 24. I can change the font by clicking up here. I want it to be here, and then if I say, oh, I want it to look like this, I want it to be longer, I can do it like this. Our goal is to get everything typed today, so make it happen. Okay? And remember, right here, be good. I'll see you on Monday.